DCPE-1A Games and Sport Basket. Basic elements of basketball. Dribbling in basketball. Dribbling is bouncing the ball on the floor continuously with one hand at a time. Types of dribbling. Control dribble. Speed dribble. Dynamic dribbling. Passing. Types of bounce pass. Overhead pass. Chest pass. Push pass. Shooting. Shooting is the final movement to complete the offensive action in order to score a basket. Types of shooting. Flip, hook shot, set shot.